Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Block Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to find Device Manager in Windows 11. Alright, so in order to find the Device Manager, go ahead and get your cursor. You're going to place it over the Start button here. And you're going to right click. Once you do, you should see Device Manager. And of course, you can see other useful features here. You can go ahead and go to Device Manager. And the fun thing about Device Manager, it will show you all of the drivers and so on your device. And of course, as long as you're not seeing any exclamations or marks indicating that something is not installed, all your drivers are installed properly. All of mine are installed properly. As you can see, there's no exclamation or marks indicating that nothing is missing. And one of the cool things I like doing from here is checking out the processor. Notice it shows you the processor physical cores as well as virtual cores. So you can check out how many cores, what's the name of your processor, as well as the rated speed. You can also check out various things such as your computer, your battery, and it gives you all of the drivers and compliant devices that's connected to your device. All right, so this is a great area to know, especially as it relates to checking out some quick stuff about your device. If you did not know this area before, it's a part of getting to know your computer, so make sure that you know how to use Device Manager to track your drivers, to see what's missing, as well as to keep an eye on important things like your processor, the capabilities, and so on. All right, so I'm in the tutorial here. If you have any questions, please ask them below. As always, guys, Ricardo from Block Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.